Give your XJ a nice boost and an aggressive new appearance with Rough Country's 3-inch suspension lift. This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need to lift and level your Jeep with an easy bolt-on installation process that can be done in a home garage with common tools. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts, tools, and hardware before proceeding. For more helpful tips, visit roughcountry.com/before-you-lift. To begin installation, once you have raised your vehicle and removed the wheels, remove the stock shock absorbers. Remove the sway bar links on both sides of the vehicle. Locate and remove the coil clip on the lower coil spring seat. Lower the axle to allow for removal of the coil spring. Remove the stock coil springs using a strut compressor if needed. Remove the stock control arms and install the new control arms with factory hardware. Do not tighten at this time. Compress the new coil springs and install. Attach the sway bar links and tighten. Install the coil spring clip back onto the lower coil spring seat. Install the new shock absorbers. Remove the sway bar from the frame if not already removed. Place the bracket on the frame rail and secure using stock hardware. Place the sway bar on the bracket and install with supplied hardware. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, remove the rear factory shocks and retain all hardware. Remove the stock rear U-bolts and remove the springs from the spring mounts. Install the new springs as the stock springs were removed and secure with factory hardware. Install the supplied U-bolts on the axle and tighten. Install the rear shock absorbers. Install the wheels and lower to the ground. And finally, be sure you fully tighten the control arms and leaf springs once your vehicle is safely on the ground. As you can see, this 3-inch lift kit lifts and levels the vehicle, eliminating the nose-down look and allowing for enough ride height to clear 31-inch tires. After installing any suspension component, it is advised that you have a qualified alignment center give your vehicle a proper alignment immediately. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.